Hello my friends, welcome to Tom's Tinkering Adventures, day one of my trip. Left San Diego this morning after the commute rush was over. I left about 10 o'clock and rode down all the way to the Mexico border, US-Mexico border, so I could do a border-to-border run. I met my friend Ken down there as well, and I'll show you him here in a minute. So we rode up I-5 into LA. We were planning on taking the 1 or the 101, but the traffic was kind of bad, so we decided to push through. Oh, there's some bugs here, by the way. We decided to push through LA and get up north of LA and then cut over to the coast. So went up to about the Valencia area, took a road over to Ventura, got on the 101, and then we took I can't remember the name of the road we took, but brought us inland a bit, and that was just absolutely beautiful. Back on the 101 up to Paso Robles, and we were looking online and we found a website called freecampsites.net, and we located a interesting sounding campground, Santa Lucia Memorial Campground, I believe is what it's called. I'll double check that and let you all know, but it was off of a road going into Fort Hunter Liggett, and it wasn't marked very well, and the navigation didn't work, so we had to go old school on it, but we ended up finding a pretty awesome campsite here, and it's just beautiful here except for the bugs. Absolutely gorgeous. The drive in here was on a little 2-lane road, went across 2 very small rivers, but the road was a little bit slimy. I noticed it as I was going, and I stayed up on the bike a little bit, and Ken was behind me, and it caught him by surprise, but he made it as well. Now that we know on the way back out, we'll probably mess it up. I hope that we don't, because that would be a hell of a thing to fall on that bridge and that slime and try to pick up a big heavy bike. But it is just absolutely gorgeous here except for the bugs, and I think I'll be getting out a little bit more mosquito repellent. I put a little bit on, but they're still buzzing me a little bit. And we have a bathroom, so that's always good. I think that's the only facilities here. We have bathrooms, and well, there's a picnic table. Here, let me flip it around the other direction here. Picnic tables and fire ring. I didn't see anything that said we couldn't have a fire, so we should be all right. Barbecue. Maybe I'll cook some Spam on that later. Oh yeah, someone actually left an old barbecue sitting here, so who knows. I didn't stop to get anything really to eat. I have my MREs, but I did get something cold to drink, so that's nice. I have to make sure the mosquitoes don't get in that. Let me grab that. And this is my partner in crime, Ken, over here, setting up his tent, trying to get ahead of the ball game. I'll be setting up as soon as I'm done with this video. The ride-up was not too bad. I had only 2 what I would call incidents on the road. One where I was going over 1 lane to the right, had my turn signal on, and some dude just stepped on it and damn near cut me off. That was a pretty close one. And then going through Santa Barbara, I was all the way in the left lane, and somebody just decided that they wanted to be in the same lane as I was. So I went all the way over to the left. I was almost on the shoulder. I hit the brakes, and they just kept going like nothing happened. So besides that, no major incidents, and now we're out of Southern California. Hopefully traffic will be better. Well, we still got to get through San Francisco. So from here, it's about 100 miles to Monterey. I would like to go up the coast to Santa Cruz, then cut inland, and I can't remember the name of the road, but go over to Alice's Restaurant, and then up Silicon Valley. Maybe we'll go across the Golden Gate Bridge and up into Napa, and that might be a day for us tomorrow. I don't think we're going to do as many miles tomorrow. But you never know. We might get started a little bit earlier, and hopefully traffic will cooperate with us. Let me get back on the main attraction here, the star. What a hell of a star I am too. But we'll just have to see what happens. We set our tents up, get some food in our bellies, finish our beverages, sit down. I think we're gonna have a fire here to keep some of these bugs away. They're on my nose. And we'll call it a night. And I will upload this video as soon as I get some Wi-Fi at some point. I'm sure we'll stop and get something to eat tomorrow. Oh, look at those bugs, they're crazy. Other than that, thank everyone who is a new subscriber or has been subscribed. I appreciate you all. I'm getting a lot of love. It's awesome. Thank you very much. Throw some comments below. Give me a little bit of a prayer maybe for these bugs, because they are hitting me hard here. Later, my friends.